Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 9th standard mathematics.
Happy morning students. In the last video we see exercise 6.4. Today we are going to see exercise 6.5 1 marks. Exercise 6.5 page number 239. First one, multiple choice question. Question number 1. If sin 30 degree is equal to x and cos 60 degree is equal to y, then x square plus y square is dash. Option A 1 by 2, option B 0, option C sin 90 degree and option D is cos 90 degree. So solution, sin 30 degree is equal to x is given in the question. From the trigonometric table we know the value of sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Similarly, cos 60 degree is equal to y, then cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. So x square plus y square is equal to 1 by 2 the whole square plus 1 by 2 the whole square, which is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4, which is nothing but the value of x square plus y square is 1 by 2. Therefore, the correct option is option A 1 by 2. Question number 2. If tan theta is equal to cot 37 degree, then the value of theta is dash. Option A 37 degree, option B 53 degree, option C 90 degree and option D is 1 degree. So solution, tan theta is equal to cot 37 degree is given in the question. By using trigonometric ratio for complementary angles, we can write cot 90 degree minus 53 degree. So cot 90 degree minus 53 degree is nothing but cot 37 degree. So cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So here you have theta is 53. So which is equal to tan 53 degree. The value of theta is 53 degree. So the correct answer is option B 53 degree. Question number 3. The value of tan 72 degree into tan 18 degree is dash. Option A 0, option B 1, option C 18 degree and option D is 72 degree. So solution, the given value is tan 72 degree into tan 18 degree, which is equal to 72 degree into, we can write tan 18 degree as tan 90 degree minus 72 degree, which is equal to tan 72 degree into tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So here the theta value is 72. So cot 72 degree. Then by the trigonometric ratio we know 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta. So tan 72 degree into 1 by tan 72 degree. So tan 72 degree gets cancelled. You get the value is 1. So the correct answer is option B 1. Question number 4. The value of 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree is equal to dash. Option A cos 60 degree, option B sin 60 degree, option C tan 60 degree and option D is sin 30 degree. So solution, 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. You know tan 30 degree is nothing but 1 by root 3. So which is equal to 2 into 1 divided by root 3, the whole thing divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square, which is equal to 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square is 1 by 3. So which is equal to 2 by root 3 divided by cross multiplication. 3 into 1 is 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 divided by root 3 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3, which is equal to 2 by root 3. We change the symbol division into multiplication. Then you have to change the reciprocal. So the numerator will become 3 and the denominator is 2. So 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2, which is equal to 2 gets cancelled. You get 3 by root 3. So here we can split 3 as root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. So root 3 gets cancelled, we get 1 root 3. So root 3 is nothing but tan 60 degree value. So the correct answer is option C, tan 60 degree. Question number 5, which is in page number 240. If 2 sin 2 theta is equal to root 3, then the value of theta is dash. Option A 90 degree, option B 30 degree, option C 45 degree, and option D is 60 degree. So solution, 2 sin 2 theta is equal to root 3 is given in the question. So sin 2 theta is equal to root 3 by 2. So sin 2 theta is equal to sin 60 degree, that is sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. So we are taking 2 theta is equal to 60 degrees. So theta is equal to 60 degree by 2. The value of theta is 30 degree. So the correct option is option B, 30 degree. Question number 6. The value of 3 sin 70 degree secant 20 degree plus 2 sin 39 degree secant 51 degree is dash. Option A 2, option B 3, option C 5, option D 6. So solution, 3 sin 70 degree secant 20 degree plus 2 sin 39 degree secant 51 degree, which is equal to 3 into sin 70 degree into secant 20 degree, we can write secant 90 degree minus 70 degree plus 2 into sin 39 degree into secant 51 degree as secant 90 degree minus 39 degree. So which is equal to 3 into sin 70 degree. You know secant 90 minus theta is cosecant theta. So secant 90 minus 70 degree is cosecant 70 degree plus 2 into sin 39 degree. Secant 90 degree minus theta is cosecant theta. So secant 90 minus 39 degree is cosecant 39 degree, which is equal to 3 into sin 70 degree. Then you are using the reciprocal trigonometric ratio, that is cosecant 70 degree is nothing but 1 by sin 70 degree plus 2 into sin 39 degree into cosecant 39 degree is 1 by sin 39 degree. So sin 70 degree gets cancelled, sin 39 degree gets cancelled. You get 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. So the correct option is option C, 5. Question number 7. The value of 1 minus tan square 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree is dash. Option A 2, option B 1, option C 0, option D 1 by 2. Solution, 1 minus tan square 45 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree, which is equal to 1 minus 1 the whole square divided by 1 plus 1 the whole square, which is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0 by 2, which is equal to 0. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, 0. Question number 8. The value of cosecant 70 degree plus theta minus secant 20 degree minus theta plus tan 65 degree plus theta minus cot 25 degree minus theta is dash. Option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D 3. The given question is cosecant 70 plus theta minus secant 20 minus theta plus tan 65 degree plus theta minus cot 25 degree minus theta. We can write cosecant 70 degree plus theta as secant 90 degree minus 70 plus theta. That is, we are considering this whole as theta. So cosecant theta is nothing but secant 90 minus theta minus secant 20 minus theta plus tan 65 degree plus theta minus cot theta is nothing but tan 90 minus theta. Cot theta is nothing but tan 90 minus theta. We are considering this whole as theta. So tan 90 minus 25 degree minus theta. So that is 90 degree minus 70 degree is 20 degree. So secant 20 degree minus theta minus secant 20 degree minus theta plus tan 65 degree plus theta minus tan 90 minus 25 is 65. So tan 65 degree plus theta. Here secant 20 degree minus theta minus secant 20 degree minus theta gets cancelled. Plus 65 degree plus theta minus 65 degree plus theta gets cancelled. You get the value 0. So the correct answer is option A, 0. Question number 9. The value of tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree etc. up to tan 89 degree is dash. Option A is 0, option B is 1, option C 2, option D is root 3 by 2. So solution, tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree etc. up to tan 89 degree, which is equal to, we can write tan 1 degree as tan 90 degree minus 89 degree into tan 2 degree as tan 90 degree minus 88 degree into tan 3 degree as tan 90 degree minus 87 degree etc. up to tan 45 degree into etc. tan 89 degree. So which is equal to tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So tan 90 degree minus 89 is cot 89 degree into cot 88 degree into cot 87 degree into etc. up to tan 45 degree into etc. tan 87 degree into tan 88 degree into tan 89 degree. We just write before the value of tan 89 degree. So which is equal to, cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. So cot 89 is nothing but 1 by tan 89 degree into 1 by tan 88 degree into 1 by tan 87 degree into etc. up to tan 45 degree into etc. tan 87 degree into tan 88 degree into tan 89 degree. So this is the center term, tan 45 degree is 1 by tan 45 degree is also 1. So the remaining terms are gets cancelled, that is tan 89 degree, tan 89 degree, tan 88 degree, tan 88 degree and tan 87 degree, tan 87 degree gets cancelled. The remaining terms are also cancelled. So 1 into anything, 1 into 1 you get 1. So the correct option is option B, 1. Question number 10. Given that sin alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and cos beta is equal to 1 by 2, then the value of alpha plus beta is dash. Option A 0 degree, option B 90 degree, option C 30 degree, option D is 60 degree. Solution, sin alpha is equal to 1 by 2 is given in the question. Then when sin is 1 by 2 is when the theta is 30 degree. So sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. When comparing this two, you get alpha is equal to 30 degree. Similarly, cos beta is equal to 1 by 2 is given in the question. So cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Comparing this two, you get the beta value is equal to 60 degree. So you have to find the value of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to 30 degree plus 60 degree, which is equal to 90 degree. So the correct option is option B, 90 degree. So up to this sum, exercise 6.5 is over. In the next upcoming video, we have to see the new unit mensuration. Thank you students. Have a nice day.